So how this paper cutter machine works is that it has a rapid, when I turn this on switch, you will notice that there's a really loud noise, so you might not have heard me talking earlier when I did that. So how it works is that in the inside, there's a rapidly spinning blade that spins really fast. So what I used the Lego train motor, and then I put 2 gears here to gear it up to a big to small gear ratio. So what that means is that if gear is big and it's connected to a small one, and the big gear is the one that has the power from the motor, the small one will spin faster than the big one, but it'll have less power. So what this machine does is that basically it goes all out for speed, so that it just beats the paper really fast, so that it just shreds through it without actually needing to have too much torque. That's why, as you saw in the time above when I was shredding it, the paper got stuck a couple times on the machine and it just stopped. So I had to readjust it and then continue with it. Now, if it's the other way around for a small to big gear ratio, then it'll make the thing spin slower, but it'll have more torque or more power, so it's harder to stop it from spinning. So as you can see in this, I have a roll cage around it to stop it from flying out if it ever happens to break. If you put like a piece of paper that's really thick, like construction paper or a postcard paper, for example, then it'll get stuck and it might shove the spinning blade off. So that's why I have this little cage around it, so that if it flies off, it'll protect the thing from flying around and hitting my face. And it looks kind of mysterious and spooky when it just like on it randomly shreds it from the back in the first thing. So yeah, that's why I have the cage around. So if I take the cage off, you'll notice that it's not that complicated, actually. On the inside, this is really the main construction of the machine, right here. This is the part that shreds the paper. It's completely functional even when it's like this. For example, if I take this almost shredded scrap of paper and then shred it again, it's completely functional. This will give you a much, but as you saw, the problem was that it kind of fell off, so we'll try that again. So you can see if you can finish. So right now I'll show you a slow motion, closer look at the shredding of the paper itself.